Hey people, Jay here and welcome. Today's video is a Power Hour collab with some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So be sure to check out the playlist once you are finished watching my video. It is hosted by my friend Jessica Myros. So be sure to check out her channel. The links to the playlist and Jessica's channel will be listed down below. Now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So for today's video, I decided to steam mop my floors as well as clean behind my stove. It had been a while since I had cleaned there, so I thought this would be a good time.
Beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home. Bright lights and colors. Love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? Well, number 20.
It amazes me how dirty our floors can get. How many times do you sweep your floors? Do you do it daily or just how many times? I'm interested to know because it's just, like I said in the beginning, it amazes me how dirty our floors get. Although, looking at my floors, they really don't look like they are dirty, but they are filthy. This is why it was necessary for me to steam mop the floors.
We are dreams, we are candles, we are lights, we are believers, we are safe with each other, with each other. But are we at the end? Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home wife and mom. This channel consists of cleaning, decluttering, organization, grocery hauls, and my favorites of the month. If you are interested in that, consider subscribing.
Lately I have had trouble sleeping, so I stay up late at night in a room lit by the TV light. All I want is to get some shut-eye, but my thoughts are keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night. It's been like this ever since we kissed. I try my best to keep my mind occupied so that I can focus on anything but you. 'Cause all I just to get some shut eye. But the thought of you is keeping me awake. I don't know what it is, but it's been like this ever since we kissed. I don't know what to do, 'cause I long for you every single night.
What's going on? Oh yeah, you are in my shot.
My bad.
You can. I'll just I'll edit you out if you don't want to be shown.
Oh no, you good? You show me.
So if I do see you, then I'll be like, that's my oldest right there. He didn't know I was filming. So as you can see, my son was home visiting from Indianapolis, Indiana. He moved there as a result of work. He stays there with his lovely wife. I am always so excited to see him.
I don't know what it is, but it's been like this.
Okay, people, or y'all, as my friend Joy says, I did not expect for this floor to take as long as it did to get it clean. Steaming these floors, I don't do every day because it is, takes some time to do. But I just didn't expect for it to take the entire power hour to clean these floors. So how many times a week do you mop or steam your floors? Is it daily? Is it weekly? I want to know.
'Cause I long for you every single night, and it's been
You guys see, I did not move out all the furniture during this power hour. I just wanted to make sure that I got the majority of the places where most people walk cleaned. Plus, I was racing against time. I had family coming home at any minute.
first time I ever saw you. I fell in love when you entered the room, and when the light hit your face, we were just kids, but I knew right away that I will be with you until I stop breathing. I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose. I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. Even though years have gone by, I'm still in love with the way that you smile. And when I look in your eyes, I know that I will be with you the rest.
So my son was leaving for the night, so I was giving him a big hug because I always love doing that. Such a proud mama.
I will keep loving you as long as my heart's beating. Oh, hold me close, promise you won't let go. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. You are the one I choose. I wanna grow old with you. I'm nothing without you. I don't know what I would do without you. Do without you.
I want to thank Jessica for hosting this month's Power Hour. Don't forget to check out her channel that will be linked down in the description box below, as well as the playlist. Here are some other videos if you want to check out more Power Hour for more motivation. And I will see you guys in the next one.